Hey everybody. It's been almost a year ago now. I did something kind of crazy with my social media feed. I started going through it and looking at what I was looking at and what I was seeing, and realized that a lot of it was kind of negative things. There were some people in there that every time I saw their post, I was like, "Oh, you got to be kidding me!" Um, and some people I just didn't agree with, and then there were people also that would always leave negative comments on anything that I posted, and it just didn't serve me anymore. So I started slowly just going through my feed and looking at it and removing anything that was negative. So kind of like a three strikes rule with people. If they left negative comments, if it was political comments, different things like that, I would just get rid of them. I would unfollow it. So not like taking the person and not being their friend anymore. I would just unfollow it so I didn't see it anymore. And over time, my social media feed has become something of, kind of negative, down, what's going on with the world, doom and gloom kind of thing, to it's become way more positive. And I've also gone through and slowly just kind of added people that inspire me, people that I want to hear more about what they're doing, and hear their inspiring stories, or like people like Tony Robbins and Zig Ziglar, and people where you open your Facebook feed and you see these quotes of people that are trying to help you make your life better, and instead of people sharing the latest tragedy or whatever the political thing is going on. And it's kind of crazy because it's come to a point now where I don't even know the bad things that are happening anymore. Someone usually tells me, like, sometimes it'll be Lacey. Sometimes another friend will message me and say, "Hey, did you see this horrible thing happened?" Or, like, for instance, I didn't know about the trials with Trump going on or any of that stuff. It's not in my feed. The people that post that kind of thing are not in my feed anymore. So it's become a place where it's inspiration instead of negative effects. So just wanted to encourage you to do the same thing. I would pick one feed, one social media platform at a time, and just go through. And anytime someone posts something that's not positive, that's not uplifting you, just go ahead and unfollow it. And like I said, you can still be friends with a person, but it just won't show up in your feed anymore. And it will take your whole mind and change it um, from a place of kind of despair or sadness or frustration, and change it to something of feeling positive. And in the end, that really helps with your whole mindset and helps you feel better. So yeah, that's it. And this is wellness.